What's up guys, my name is Buberino and welcome to another Rain GT video with another fee 500 coins on the balance. We will have to get some profit. On the last video we did have 250, which was stonks, so we're gonna try to do it once again. I think I'm gonna do it verse 3 fast mode, but this time with 1% cases. I never opened them, so now it's our time to shine. A really nice video, really nice battle just to begin the video with 15 cases. If somebody drop like the 1%, it's gonna be rich no matter the price of the case. But I think no one will drop, right? Because it's almost impossible. Four more cases to go. Oh my god. We just did. No no freaking way. Wait a second. We just freaking dropped a 2.7k glove from a 1% case. We are already in profit 700, bro. How is that possible? Whoa, okay. I mean, Rain GG is just too wonderful for us. I can't freaking complain, right? I can't freaking complain. Now he's just gonna do a $700 battle. We're gonna do the price of our profit. So guys, please leave a like, subscribe, comment what you think about the video, and if you want to play on this site, link on the description, you get 5% bonus and 3 free cases. Let's fucking go. Okay, they are winning. Stop, please, please, please. Oh my god, okay. I just hope that they don't drop anything. No freaking way. Bro, that freaking last case. How much? Bro, it was like almost impossible to drop like these things and we just did. Come on. Okay. Alright, like, I'm still not in myself. We just did. Okay. Now we're just gonna have to go all in, bro. We have to do it. We are on the top of the mountain and now we are down. So this gotta happen. This gotta freaking happen. Let's freaking go. 1 verse 1. I wanted to do a 2 verse 2, but 1 verse 1. 26 cases. $437. Okay, we start pretty good. Pretty good so far. Okay, not a profit, but it's not a $1. Stop! Bro, almost. Stop. 67, okay. We have 100 on the lead. Bruh. 660, sorry. They just dropped. This is a slow turn, but don't forget, if we win this one, we will be in profit. We just had like 700 in profit and just freaking wasted it all. Bro. Okay, we have 16 cases to go. Still everything can happen, like you see here. He's just having like as much as I am right now. I am not dropping shit since the beginning of the video. So I hope this changes, otherwise we will lose. We are so close to rain. So close. But it's not eating. Come on, go down! Get down! Bro, and it's just $4 less than us. $4 freaking dollars. Damn, he's so close. He's so freaking close. And we still have 8 cases to go. Stop, please stop at least there. The lead is so small still. Yeah, we are back to the $4 lead. Bro, how is... Oh my god, finally. Whew. Freaking finally. Asimov? 87? I was expecting way more than that. I guess we will have to go to Upgrader if this battle doesn't pay. Stop. Good boy. 2 cases to go. We have a comfortable lead. Okay, we gonna have to go to the upgraders. Sell everything. Upgrader. Bro, this is gonna be risk, but I don't care. I don't care. Just do it. Why did I change? Come on. Okay, we ripped this one, but at least if we cashed out on the beginning, we would have been crazy. But I want to create content for you guys, so I just play with the money. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you again for being here, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget, if you want to play on this site, use the link in the description or in the comment section to get 5% bonus upon your deposit. So thank you guys, and I see you again on the next video. Cheers.